The cycle of the 24 solar terms culminates with major cold. Whether we care or not, everything we have experienced fades into the past, which seems to end in an instant, frozen in the coldest moment of the year. Yet, the cold cannot freeze the deep-rooted passion within us. Passion grows and continually embarks on new journeys, undeterred. Hardness blankets everything, seemingly trapping all in its grip. The bitter cold amplifies pessimism and suffering, making even the most fervent life seem silent. Though the howling wind sweeps across countless mountains, the earth remains steadfast, indifferent to the hardships and pains it endures. Without realizing arduous parts in life, beauty would not have been so captivating. However, the meaning of life has always encompassed more than a single journey. Growth, splendor, harvest, and sedimentation. The deeper the cold, the more we yearn for the future. Life, when internalized, can only be truly understood in the harshest cold. Allowing every subsequent trace of warmth to be etched in memory. Major cold extinguishes all illusions, teaching life to understand when to advance and when to retreat, how to embrace farewells and find contentment. Preserve the love to oneself and hold fast to hope for the future.